Today we talk about how can you disable phone contacts on your Triller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this line down here. So you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. So then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign here, click on it. When you click in this sign, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on contact sync in here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to phone contacts. So then you click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean phone contacts disable. So disable, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. So when you're done, before I forget, you click here on down, then it's going to disable with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.